Learn Integrated Master Editor using e-learning sample 1. This sample has 3 processes to make product A. The input product A material into mixer 1. First process. The output into packer 1 and or packer 2 and goes to inspection center 1. The third process. Each manufacturing process is described from top to bottom according to the flow of the manufacturing process. The output product A is defined here item. So the product A material is input into mixer 1. Input instruction, product A material, item name. And they use instruction, mixer 1, resource name. And the output is named product A mixing, input packer 1 or packer 2, input instruction. And they use packer 2 or packer 1, use instruction, resource name. And the output is named automatically Asprova. Product A packing is input to the machine inspection center 1. They use this machine, use instruction, resource name. Instruction type and instruction code you can use pull-down menu, and Asprova writes these automatically. Focus on the first process to know more detail. This 10 means setup time to manufacture product A at the mixer 1. 10 means 10 minutes. For example, 2 HP means 2 hours per piece. This 15.1 MP means production speed. Means that mixer 1 takes 15.1 minutes per piece to manufacture product A material. This 10 means teardown time to back as it was. 10 means 10 minutes. Setup means such as set a mode or jig or operate the monitor of the machine to start monitor. Teardown means such as take off a mode or clean up the machine as it was. Focus on the second process. Input instruction and instruction code in, and here item name product A-mixing is an item manufactured at the first process named automatically by Asprova and set here. And these 2 rows use instruction code M, and here resource name packer 1, packer 2. This means they use to manufacture this by packer 1 and or packer 2. M means main resource, machine or worker. You can also use S here, sub-resource, mode or jig or operator, which are necessary to use main resources. And the time constraints method represents the time relation with the previous process. ES is default one, This process starts after the end of the previous process. And time constraint min. ES and time constraint min specifies the minimum wait time to start this process after the end of previous process. 120 minutes here. End and start. Asprova has 7 types of time constraints pattern. Any other software don't have like this so many.